it's Beautified by Jess, and I hope you enjoy this video. So today I am doing a video because I was asked in my comment section in my last tips video last Wednesday on how to find the perfect foundation, as my customer was struggling with buying her own foundation. So I thought, why don't we do it in a video just to give a one-on-one feel, and so that you can actually see like what it looks like on a person instead of just reading it on a little info picture that I post every Wednesday usually. As I said, I am going to be doing a Match Me foundation video. So I have got two foundations that I use and I have used on my portfolios. So I have the Rimmel Match Perfection and I have the Kmart one. This one is for me. This one I've used on my portfolios while I am waiting for some of my products to turn up in the mail. So I am going to be using the Kmart OXX1, which is the one I use on myself, as I said before. So when you go to the store, like to the shops, like even if you go to Mecca, Big W, Kmart, whatever, just go to the tester section, get a little bit, this is probably a bit too much, and go from your neck to your chin, your chin to your neck, and just give it a little mix in. As you can see, for me, this is a little bit too light for me. I bought it because I thought I was light enough, I was too dark for the next one up, and yeah, apparently it's not. So yeah, that's what happens when your foundation is too light, and I will show you the next one. And then I'm going to go and use this one, the Rimmel, that I've used on others, and I've had a little bit of issues with it on other people. I didn't test properly. So you're gonna put about that much, and then like we did with the Kmart, just put it in from your chin to your neck. And as you can see with me, this is way too orangey. It doesn't look good, but I have found that like once I put the translucent powder that I put on, that it looks better. But we're going to mix them today and see if that is a better shade for me and could be for you. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to mix it and then I'll show you. Okay, so to mix, I'm going to be using my crown little thing that I got in my makeup when I did my certificate 3. So I'm just going to put about that much. It's probably a bit much, to be honest. And then I'm going to grab the Rimmel and I'm going to put a pump in that, and then I'm going to mix with this brush, this end, to get it to try and look nice, which it does. It looks like it's gonna suit me. So we've got that mixed up, and I'm just going to put a dot, and I'm gonna go on my chin again. And as you can see, this one suits me a bit better. It still looks a little bit white, so when you do like mix your foundations, just try and play with, well, not play, but mix like one pump to one pump and then add like one or the other, and then that should work. So that's it. So there you go, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give it a like. Comment down below if you do have any questions. I will answer them, or if you'd like them in a video, please also comment that, and do share this with your friends if they do need this tip. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.